everybody. Welcome back to Echoing Magic Travel, the travel agency where we aspire to help our clients make memories and plan vacations that will echo for years to come. My name is Johanna Quinn. If you haven't already, hit like, subscribe, ring the notification bell, follow us on social media so that way you can stay up to date on all the things we have coming, all things travel. We have something really cool we're going to talk about today. We're going to talk about what echoing means, why we have that in our name. It kind of comes out of the blue. It sounds cool, sure, but what does it actually mean? What do we mean by echoing magic? Now, part of it is definitely what we talk about all the time, which is echoing memories. When you go on a trip, you want those vacation memories, trip memories, you want them to last. Otherwise, if it just was just that one vacation, that 1 week you're gone, that's great. But the pictures, the videos, the experiences, those feelings, those moments, you want them to last. And that's probably one of the biggest things that we do with our clients when we're planning travel. The way that we do that is we fully and completely believe that no two vacations are going to be exactly alike, because no two people, no two families are exactly alike. And there's one way of planning a trip, and that's Googling what's the best thing to do at Disney World, or what restaurant do I not need to miss in Alaska when I go on my cruise. And you could probably get a decent amount of information from that. What we try to do is take some of that stress and worry and wonder out of it. We want to do the research. We want to do the planning. We want to get to know you. We want to get to know your family. We want to get to know whoever's going on the trip and what their likes and interests are. So if you guys are going on a trip, and let's just use Alaska as an example. Let's say you're going on a family cruise to Alaska and you have a 10-year-old who absolutely loves dogs. We highly are going to recommend that you do one of the many different dog sled excursions that are available throughout an Alaska cruise, because that's important to someone in your family. And that type of memory is what's going to echo. It's going to last. It's going to stay with you. So in 10, 15 years, you're relooking at those pictures and memories. That's one that's going to last. Now, the other side of echoing is a little bit more practical. We used to go, my husband and I, on vacations, and we would go for, your standard week-long vacation. We'd come back and we're still a little bit, we're coming home. Granted, you're always wanting to be on vacation and not be at home. You always want it to last longer, but there was just something recurring about it. So we decided to try one year. We went on a 10-day trip instead of a 7-day, and we got back and felt so much better. It gave us that little bit of extra time. We added some more resort days in. The first time we did it was a Disney trip. We added a couple resort days in. It gave us that extra time to sleep in, enjoy our resort. We went to a couple restaurants that we wouldn't have tried otherwise. We were just trying to pack it all into park days. So the echoing kind of also goes along with, we want to kind of extend out those experiences. Now, for some people, a week is all you're going to have. That might be the only option you have. But is there a way in the planning process to really get what you want out of it? So when you get home, rather than feeling exhausted, depleted, stressed out even more than when you left for your vacation, that you actually had that little bit of a feeling that, that rest and relaxation echoed just the amount that I needed. So again, when we're planning our trips with our clients, we really are going to take the time to get to know you. We're going to take the time to get to know what's important to you, what you want to get out of your trip. You're the one investing in it, both your time off and your money. You deserve to get the most out of it. And we would just absolutely love to help you with that process. If you're curious, we're going to add in a link to wow, I can't talk right now. We're going to add in a link to our Calendly if you want to schedule a consultation with us. We'd absolutely love to get to know you. So feel free to click the link down in the description box. In the meantime, though, we'll see you next time. May the magic be with you, travelers. Have a great day.